Good evening, Mr. Jansis. I'm Jerome Christian Palanya, and I see that you are interested in applying as virtual assistant in my company. Thank you for joining this meeting today, and this interview will help us learn more about your qualification, skills, and how you may fit into our team. Please feel free to answer each question as clearly and honestly as possible. So, for the first question, can you tell me about yourself, Mr. Jansis?
Sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Jancis Galdones, and I recently graduated from Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University. During my studies, I developed good communication and computer skills, which I believe will help me to perform well in this job. And I am dedicated and responsible individual with a strong passion for learning and applying new skills in the field of technologies.
Okay, I see. You have a good background about that,
Yes.
and why do you want to work here at my company?
I want to work here because I believe your company offers a good opportunity for me to learn and grow. I've heard positive things about how you value teamwork and employee development, and I want to be part of that, sir. And I'm confident that I can contribute and also gain new skills from this experience. I am ready to take on challenges and give my best in every task, sir.
Yes. What a good compliment about our company.
Yes, sir.
About based from all your answers, how why should we hire you, Mr.
Sir,
Galdones?
I think you should hire me because as I said before, I am an hardworking and dedicated on giving my best in every task. I am responsible, detail oriented, and ensure that my work is accurate and complete. I am always willing to learn new skills and grow professionally. I work well in a team and can adapt easily to different situations. I am ready to show my skills and attitude to contribute positively to your team and help the company to succeed, sir.
Okay. Um, that's all for that's all. And I can see that you could go to the next level of our qualification round in our company, and um, I hope I will see you again, and I hope that you will work here at company. Thank you for joining this meeting.
So, good evening, Mr. Palanya. My name is Jancis Galdones, and I am the software engineering manager at this company. Today, we'd like to learn more about your skills, experience, and projects in software development, as well as how you approach problem solving and teamwork. This is also an opportunity for you to share your passion for learning and growing as a part of our team. So, I'll be asking a few questions, and there's no need to worry. We're interested in understanding your thought process as much as your technical skills. So here are the main questions we'll go through today. Sorry. Ulit. Ulit.
Kumal. Aray mo.
Okay.
Okay.
Good evening, Mr. Palanya. My name is Jancis Galdones, and I am the software engineering manager at this company. Today, we'd like to learn more about your skills, experience, and projects in software development, as well as how you approach problem solving and teamwork. This is also an opportunity for you to share your passion for learning and growing as part of our team. So, I'll be asking a few questions, and there's no need to worry. We're interested in understanding your thought process as much as your technical skills.
Yes, sir.
So, this is the first question, Mr. Palanya. So, tell me about yourself, Mr. Palanya.
Sir, I'm Jerome Christian C. Palanya. I'm an IT graduate from Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University with skills in programming, web development, and troubleshooting. I'm passionate about learning new technologies and applying my knowledge to real world projects.
That's good, Mr. Palanya. So second is, what makes you good fit for this position?
Sir, I'm perfectly fit for this position because I'm a fast learner with solid foundation in coding and problem solving. I work well in team and I'm eager to grow my skills while contributing to your company's project.
Well, that's good to hear, Mr. Palanya. You have a experience about coding.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
So they, of course, the less. What do you expect from this job, Mr. Palanya?
Sir, I usually expect to gain more experience in software development, improve my technical skills, and especially that I can contribute to meaningful projects that help the company grow.
That's good, Mr. Palanya. I think you are ready to work on this job. I think you are qualified.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
okay. Again,
Bro, need monitor ko par. Ang sama nagsig man.
gago.
Okay, okay, good, 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 good.